Hello everyone. In this lesson, you will learn about directions. East, west, north and south. Introduction. Directions tells us the exact location of any object. Directions help us to know our location. Main directions. There are 4 main directions. They are east, west, north and south. East, west, north and south. While going to someone's place, we need to know the right directions to reach. Without directions, it is difficult for us to find the way to a place. The road signs left turn and right turn direct us to the left and right respectively. You can see here this is left turn road sign and right turn road sign. Our left hand indicates the left direction and our right hand indicates the right direction. Our left hand indicates the left direction and our right hand indicates the right direction. Some other directions are up, down, front, सामने and back, पीछे. The main directions can be found out with the help of the sun. Look at the picture. It is the morning picture. Sun is rises and this side is east. As you know, the sun rises in the morning and sets in the evening every day. If you stand facing the sun in the morning, the direction you are facing is the east. The direction behind you where the sun sets is the west. To your left will be the north and to your right will be the south. Thus, there are 4 main directions: east, west, north and south. Here is the map of India. See, we can also find a place in a map. A map is a drawing of an area on a sheet of paper. A map is a drawing of an area on a sheet of paper. This is the map of India on a sheet of paper. A map may give the layout of a city or a country or a marketplace and so on. You can see, here is the map of India. You can see in the north of India, the state of Jammu and Kashmir, and in the east, it is West Bengal. Kerala is in south and Gujarat is in the west. Clear? In a map, the top part shows the north, while the bottom part is the south. The right side is the east, while the left side shows the west. And this is the Uttar Pradesh. Here is the Uttar Pradesh. Now let's recall. Directions help us to find the way to a place. There are 4 main directions: east, west, north and south. The sun rises in the east and sets in the west. We can also locate a place in a map. A map is a drawing of an area on a sheet of paper. Now we will start exercise of this lesson. A. Take the right answer. 1. The sun rises in the east. Right answer. West is wrong answer. 2. The sun sets in the east. It is wrong answer. West is the right answer. Fill in the blanks. Choose the right word from the box: east, west, directions, map and left turn. 1. The road sign left direct us to the left. In a map, the right side is the east, while the left side is the west. 3. Directions. You will fill directions. Help us to find the way to a place. Fourth, a map is a layout of an area. Answer the following questions. 1. What are the 4 main directions? Answer is, the 4 main directions are east, west, north and south. Now, what is a map? Answer, a map is a drawing of an area on a sheet of paper. Third, how can we find the directions with the help of the sun? Answer, if we stand facing the sun in the morning, we can find the directions. Now project, paste the map and show the directions. So you will paste the map and show these 4 directions. So the 4 directions: east, west, north and